Configuring returns, exchanges, and cancellations on Wcart. We'll walk through how to set up your store's return and exchange policies. First, navigate to the Premium Plugins section from your sidebar. In the search bar, type Return to locate the Return Settings plugin. Click Activate to enable these features on your storefront. Once activated, head over to Store Settings and click the Return configuration. To begin, ensure the refund functionality is toggled to active. From here, you can define your specific store policy. This includes choosing whether to allow partial refunds and setting a time limit, such as 14 or 30 days, during which customers can request a return. You also have the flexibility to apply these rules to your entire catalog or restrict them to specific product categories, ensuring your policy aligns with the types of goods you sell. Finally, list the valid reasons for a return, such as damaged item or incorrect size. If you require visual evidence, you can also enable a requirement for customers to upload photo proof before submitting their request. Once satisfied, click Submit to apply your changes. Next, let's look at exchange settings. Similar to refunds, toggle Enable Exchange to Yes. You can also include tax in the exchange value and enable stock management to ensure the replacement item is in-house. Select the relevant categories for exchange and set your reasons. If you want customers to provide proof, ensure the Enable Attachment option is active. Don't forget to hit Submit. Lastly, let's set up the cancel order rules. Enable the cancellation toggle and specify a minimum order amount required for cancellation if applicable. Set your cancellation window. Here we'll use 14 days and choose which categories this applies to. You can also decide if orders can be canceled before pickup. Once you've added your reasons, click Submit. Thank you for watching.